Hello. Today I am going to discuss about Environmental Studies Part 1 of Standard 5th. This book comprises of three subjects. They are science, geography and civics. So right now I am going to tell you about the geography lessons. This is a list of geography lessons which we have to take. The second lesson, motions of the earth. From this lesson you have to take the concept of rotation and the earth's rotation. It is given on the page number 6. As you can see, you have to explain the concept of rotation, the earth rotation, and what are the you can say the parts of the globe. So before teaching this lesson, you have to take the globe to the classroom and you have to explain the students about what is an equator, how equator divides the globe into two parts, that is the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere, the north and the south poles. So these concepts are very essential for teaching geography. After completing this part, you have to teach from this to this. Then we will move forward. Before teaching lesson number 9, maps, our companions, you have to explain a certain part from lesson number 3. The name of the lesson is The Earth and its Living World. So in this lesson, you have to explain the concept of what are landforms, what are the various landforms. From this, about a third of a surface of the earth consists of land. You have to explain the portion till land is called a lake. This part is very important. While teaching the various landforms, you have to explain them about all these landforms. What is a mountain, what is a pass, the valley, hill, hillock, plain, river, seashore, islands, plateaus. So you have to explain each and every concept in detail to students while explaining this concept of the landforms. They are very essential before starting lesson number 9, maps are companion. So you have to be sure that the students know about these concepts. Then we will be coming to this part of map, world, continents and oceans. So you have to explain them. This is the world map, the direction, this side is of the north direction, and the oceans and the continents. While explaining this, first of all you tell them what oceans are, what continents are there, how many continents are there, right? And take the activity in the classroom of plotting this continents and oceans and give them as an home activity to plot the oceans and the continents on the world map. Then we come to the lesson maps, our companions, a very beautiful lesson. So the preparation for starting this lesson is that the child must be thorough with the landforms. What are the various landforms? So if it is clear, then it will be very easy for you to teach them this topic. So here, as you can see, whenever you are taking a geography lesson, you have to tell them to observe the small maps given in the textbook. Even these small details must be read for them. The symbols, see, as you can see, the numbers. So what are they? What is being denoted by those numbers? Then as you can see the difference, the colors, different colors are used to show the height. Here the number is given, right? Number is of the height, that is in meters, and here as you can see the different colors are used to show the height. And as you can see, this is different, this is a third different map. So while explaining any concept of the geography, it is very essential that you are explaining each and every map in detail, right? So while taking all these activities, involve the students and let the children answer your questions, right? Then we go to the conventional signs and symbols. So explaining this, which signs denotes what is the difference between the symbols and the signs. Then moving forward to lesson number 10, Getting to Know India. So again, this is a very beautiful chapter, and this chapter is reflected in standard 10 syllabus. So while explaining this chapter, first of all, you be thorough with how many rivers are there, what is the direction in which the river is flowing, right? What are its tributaries, basically what tributaries are. Then while teaching this India major rivers, this is the title of the map. You have to tell the students that this is the title, these are the directions which are shown. So this is the eastern part of India, this is the western, this is the northern part, and this is the southern part, right? So you'll be explaining the major river. So after explaining this, you will be showing them the directions of the river, the states from which that the river is flowing. You can give the activity to students to make a list of names of all the rivers shown in this map. Then you can ask the rivers which flow in Maharashtra, the rivers that flow near our Vidarbha region. So in this manner, involve the student in map reading through activities, and students love to do these activities. Then when we come for India physical, so as we can say, the physical map, different colors are being used, right? That the colors are based on the height, different physical things are there. So you have to explain these things to the students. Again, the different regions. Here we come as our country India. Again, the detail, the states are shown in this. This index, explaining this index is very important for plotting the maps when these children will grow up. Again, this is the what are the some cash crops and transport. So whenever you find a map in the textbook, see to it that you are taking that map in the classroom, means plotting of the places in the classroom, and also you are giving the same as homework to students, because this skill of map plotting comes with practice, and students love these activities. It's not like a boring thing for them, but they love doing this.